I came back to Ireland in 1996, and when I was appointed, I was the 11th neurologist in the entire country. So I looked around to see what difference I could make. And one of the things that became clear to me was that we didn't really know very much about many diseases, and that I had an expertise in some of these neuromuscular and neurodegenerative diseases from my training in Boston. ALS is really a human disease. There are no animals who naturally develop ALS. And it's a very tragic disease because people develop the condition in the prime of their lives, and most people die within 3 years of the first symptom. I could see that we could make a huge difference by providing a clinical setting and trying to characterise the disease in Ireland by allowing people to come to a specialist clinic. It's a disease that has captured the interest and imagination of many scientists, including myself, because we see these people in our clinics and because the questions that ALS raises are questions that really pertain to all types of neurodegeneration. Precision ALS is a transnational, pan-European study, the aim of which is to build a system that can collect and store and retain and analyse lots of different types of data from lots of different centres around Europe. The biggest challenge is to get the data protection aspects of the project right, and we spent a long time doing that. In the future, the likelihood is that we'll be able to subdivide people in ways that I, as a clinician, wouldn't be able to do. They might be subdivided based on the biological pathways or their genomics or the types of symptoms that they have. That may allow us not only to understand the disease better, but also to provide a cohort of patients that might be exclusively and exquisitively sensitive to a particular drug or pharmacological therapy. In other iterations, we might provide that therapy to everybody, but it mightn't suit everybody, and the benefit of the drug might be washed out, and we might believe that that drug is ineffective. Our aim is that we want to have the right drug for the right patient in the right dose at the right time. And if we can achieve that, we will have made a huge difference to this disease.